Good morning, students of class 4. The visit to the mansion. We have completed the lesson. We have done some question answers. I have given you some homework. I hope you are doing it. Today, we will come to the exercise work behind this chapter. Okay? Behind the chapter, the visit to the mansion. So, please come to the grammar and usage part of this chapter. Open your page to grammar and usage. Grammar and usage date today is the 5th. Open your books to grammar and usage behind the lesson, the visit to the mansion. Grammar and usage determiners with countable and uncountable nouns. We have learnt that some nouns are countable and some are uncountable. Some nouns we can count, whereas some we cannot count. We cannot say an air or 3 sugars. We must use other countable nouns to measure uncountable nouns. Can we say, is air countable? No, it is uncountable. That is why we must use other countable nouns to measure uncountable nouns. Okay, like we can say 2 kilos or teaspoons of sugar. If we say 3 sugars, can we count? No. But if we use like this, 2 kilos of sugar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, then we are using a countable noun to measure uncountable nouns. So we must use other countable nouns to measure uncountable nouns. Okay. Or we can also say many teaspoons of sugar. We also learned that we use words like much with uncountable nouns. We say much money or much water. Uncountable, water, uncountable. So we use much. Much water, much money. Words such as too, much, many, which we use to describe the nouns. Usually the quantity or specific location are called determiners. Okay. Now let us come to countable and uncountable nouns in the table. Many. There are many seats. Some. There are some seats. Any. There aren't any seats, or you can use no also. There aren't any seats, or you can also use no. When you are using no, it will be there are no seats. Then few or fewer. There are few seats or there are fewer seats. There are a lot of seats or there are lots of seats. Now let us come to uncountable. There is not much space. There is some space. There isn't any space. There is no space. There is less space. There is a little space. There is little space. Okay? There is a lot of space. There is lots of space. Okay? So these are the examples. Is this clear to you? Now let us come to exercise A in your English literature book. Please take out your pencils and let us do this exercise. Complete these sentences with suitable determiners. So the first one, our garden looks untidy with so many weeds. My brother had no trouble passing his driving test. He passed it the first time. Many people live in houses these days. Why don't you come with us? There is a lot of space in the car. Is there any pickle left? Here, have some salad. It's good for health. Is this clear to you? Please write it in your English literature book with the help of a pencil. Okay? That's all for today, students. Thank you. So, below my video, the link is there. Download the link. Read whatever I have taught you at home. Do the exercise in your English literature book itself. Thank you, children. God bless you. See you in the next class.